preacher who had a church on the outskirts of town. You never called him a mouth man, a teacher. No, he was a shout right down to the ground. He had a red letter King James Bible. It opened up to John 3:16. I first heard him at a summer revival. He rolled up his sleeves and he started to sing. Yeah. He said, you must confess your sins. He said, you must be born again. He preached Jesus, crucified and risen from the dead. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he said, you gotta make it right. He said, don't do that. You need to come alive. The Spirit grew stronger with every single passage he read. I got saved when I heard what he said. He said, well, I'm a member of that little church now, but the preacher died a long time ago.